Hi, I'm checking in with you all really quick. I hope that you all are making progress and finding the resources helpful. Okay, so true or false? Background knowledge has a strong impact on academic achievement. True or false? Differences in background knowledge may impact differences in learning and understanding new content. True or false? Access to background knowledge can affect scores on assessments and standardized tests. Okay, so background knowledge is extremely important. Research shows how it correlates to academic achievement, test scores, and so much more. This topic kind of relates to my last video on socialization. For starters, background knowledge or prior knowledge is a collection of life experiences along with content knowledge and vocabulary on a particular topic. Background knowledge helps children make sense of new ideas and new experiences. It helps make it easier to comprehend reading assignments, recall facts, make concrete connections, and elaborate on a topic. Let's get into some ways to build background knowledge. Number one, connect with experts virtually. Number two, take virtual field trips. Number three, provide frequent sensory experiences, lots of hands-on projects. Number four, learn a new skill or hobby together. Number five, use picture books for all age groups. Number six, read and reread the cool info in the back of the book, like the author's notes, maps, recipes, activities, and so much more. Number seven, go on excursions. Number eight, show video clips to add visuals. Of course, YouTube. Number nine, show and tell using props and artifacts. Number 10, create a team building project within your family or join a community service project. When you build background knowledge at home, those fun and amazing life experiences help them activate that background knowledge at school, linking what your child already knows to new content leading to high academic achievement. But hey, take your time and build background knowledge naturally. Remember, 1% progress every day adds up to 365% progress at the end of the year. Keep going. Oh, and hey, hit that link in my bio to connect with me, like and share this video. Thank you.